Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little different, as you can see. I'm going to unbox one of my Christmas gifts from the hubby. It just arrived today. He purchased from Forhervanity. So excited to just dig in. So he got the IKEA drawer collection, and it's these right here. I'm gonna open this up because everything is nice and packaged, all sealed. So this is I asked for the Tiffany blue with glitter. So this is one of the pieces. It comes with 4 pieces. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, this is the palette holder. So this is a palette one that goes in the IKEA drawers, or you can just put it on the vanity. So this is number 2 from that set. Oh, this one's heavy. This one is the lipstick one. So here is the lipstick one. And this one holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh. 99 lipsticks? 99 lipsticks. It holds 99 lipsticks. 99 lipsticks. And then the last piece is this compact folder. So this one is actually the one I'm most excited about. So that's a set of 4 for, I believe it's $200 on the website, and then I got some free gifts because they were late from Christmas. I was supposed to get it for Christmas, but something happened something came up, an emergency, and they sent 3 free gifts for being late. So I'm trying to open this. So they sent over these cute eyelashes. Look at how cute. Wait, how do they go? Oh, there we go. Wait. Look at how cute are these eyelashes. I can put them above my vanity. So that's one gift. And then this is another gift. This is Queen. Same Tiffany blue with glitter. Really, oh, paper. Really cute. And they sent over these cute ornaments. Are these ornaments? I think these are like cute little ornaments. The lipstick. lipstick, lips, and nail polish right there. So, I am so excited. You know what? Let me see if you guys can see the glitter with the flashlight. I don't know if I should that even on. I don't know if I can show you guys. Can you guys see the sparkle? Probably not. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to my vanity to show you guys me organizing and replacing some old storage stuff with these. These are nice and sturdy. These are wood. And I believe she has other different holders. On Instagram, she's Forhervanity on Instagram. Okay, so that completes my unboxing, and I'm going to now go into my vanity and organize this and show you guys before and after. So, okay, see up close and personal. So they sent me this one for free. For free. It says Queen, and then let's see if I can get that glitter. You guys see the glitter? It's really hard to capture the glitter on camera. Well, anyways, this one says Queen, of course. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the vanity. And then here's a close-up of the lipsticks holder. 99 lipsticks. Oh. And this is a compact one. Let me see if can you guys see the glitter? See the glitter? So pretty. And then this is another compact drawer one, and then the palette one. Here's the palette one. Okay, so get ready for my messy drawers. So messy, I know, so messy. So I got these at Walmart for like I think it was like 3-pack for like $1 something. So here's another one. Just have everything mixed up. It's a skin card drawer, and then some bronzer highlighter palettes. And then I have this one I'm going to replace in this drawer for my compacts. This is a original beauty box. And then this last drawer, I hardly have anything. So, gonna put all that in these drawers. gotta do this. This lighting is so bad right here. And yeah, I have all kinds of cords. Okay, I finished it. Wait, did I show it before or after? Oh man, I don't remember. Okay, I finished organizing everything. Trying to organize. Oh my god, there's not enough. Look at. And then I still have all those drawers. I need a lot more of these. Okay, this is the top one. I just put some random stuff. Skincare, concealers, eyeliners, mascaras, eyelashes, and mini setting sprays. And this is the one I love. Love, love, love. Look at that. 99 lipsticks, and I still have a lot more, but these are like the main ones I go to. So pretty. And then compacts. These don't fit all the way, but they stay. I move them, they don't flip over, so I'm good with that. So all my compacts, highlighters, blushes and bronzers, the main ones I usually go to, and palettes. Love these. Oh my god, I highly recommend Forhervanity stuff. Really good quality, and it makes you look all stylish, even though nobody's coming in here. Love it. So that completes my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this unboxing thing. Let me know if you guys want me to do more unboxing like this, and something a little different. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.